So hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to Comrod Motorsport. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're all keeping really well. This is it. This is episode number 1. This is where it all starts, hopefully. So in this episode I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, a little bit about my background. We're going to have a look around the workshop, see what's in the workshop, and we're going to have a short video montage of some of the bits that I've been up to over the years. So that's what we're planning for episode number 1. So this is all new to me. It's all very strange. I've just got me and my phone camera talking into it, which is very odd for me. Previously no socials or anything like that, quite a private person. So bear with me because I'm sure there will be mistakes made. I've got no previous video editing experience at all. So the filming, the videoing, the editing, it's all brand new to me. So hopefully I will make mistakes. Well, hopefully I won't make mistakes, but I'm sure I will, and hopefully you guys can help me to progress and get better every time we bring a new video out. So let's start off with a little bit about myself, a bit about my background. So my technical background is I left school as interested in motorsport vehicles, been helping my dad fix cars over the years, etc. And I went to college to train as a mechanic and then got a job as a vehicle mechanic, or now known as a vehicle technician, and worked my way up. The only opening they had was a tyre fitter, and we worked from a tyre fitter up to a master tech level and stayed at master tech level for quite a long time until I fancied a change, at which point I moved into education and went to work for an FE college teaching motorsport, motor vehicle and motorcycle courses. Quite a few years. That was a fantastic job, to be honest. Really good to share passion about vehicles and motorsport with young people. Unfortunately, due to other circumstances, that couldn't continue, which leads me to where I am now, which is currently working as a rail engineer on the HS1 Class 395 high-speed trains from London, St Pancras to Ashford International. It sounds far more glamorous than it is on a day-to-day basis, but it's a good job and I enjoy the job. So that's a little bit about me. So let's talk about the channel. What's the purpose of the channel? Why have we started this channel up? Well, I've been involved in motorsport, various things for years. Like I've said, I've had a keen interest in it, and I've been all over the world to watch various races all over the UK. I've taken part in track days all over the UK. I've run a kart team in the British Pro Kart Endurance Championship, which I haven't been able to do for a couple of years, unfortunately, due to personal circumstances. We're looking to get that going again and hopefully take you guys along for the ride, and this seemed like a good opportunity to rebrand the team and include it under this Comrod Motorsport banner. So within that, we're also going to take you guys wherever we go on any motorsport events, hopefully take you around the karting paddocks, have a look around there, see what's going on, take you on some karting trips, do some technical stuff. So when we're doing karting rebuilds or motorcycle forks, brakes, chains, anything like that for friends and family, we'll do a bit of that. I'm hoping to do a few motor vlogs. My friends have got some interesting bikes that they're going to let me ride and take you guys out on, and I've got a few bikes myself that hopefully you guys will find interesting to see some information about. We've also got a CB750F, I think it's 1983 or 84, which is going to be collecting parts at the minute to go through a kind of resto mod Freddie Spencer replica. So hopefully that's something that will continue through as the channel goes on, which you guys will find interesting. And yeah, that's it really. We're just going to see what you guys feed back to me with the comments, see how the channel naturally evolves, and see where we go, and hopefully everyone will enjoy it and be able to take something away from it. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up then, guys. Like I say, this first video is going to be a little introduction to myself and the channel, a short montage of stuff we've been up to over the years, and a workshop tour so you guys can have a little look around the workshop. So without further ado, here we are.
try to catch me if you can. Me, it's all the same. You're just another game. You're just here to have some fun. Just know I can't be tamed, and know I so let the games begin. Let the games begin. I will let you see my sin. There's no weakness. Won't let you in. Let you in. I'll play to it. I'll play to it. Oh. Oh, just know I don't give in. I'm a fighter. So let the games begin. Let the games begin. I will let you see my sin. There's no weakness. Won't let you in. Let you in. Oh.
What bottle? What bottle?
So let's begin. I play to win. I play to win.
So here we are, sports fans. This is the workshop. This is where all the magic happens. This is what's currently residing in a workshop. We've got original 1993 Honda Fireblade SC28, original model with the twin headlights, in the best colour scheme in my opinion, and the polished frame, all period correct, all the original screen, exhaust can, etc. for it. So we'll do a feature on that at some point. Next to that we have got a 2012 Yamaha R1 Big Bang crossplane engine. That's got a massive spec on it. That is a track only bike, and we'll do a video later on going through the whole spec of that, taking all the fairings off. I've not actually had that out yet, so we've got the first track day booked at Brands Hatch GP, so we'll take you along for the ride on that hopefully. Over here we've got a 2002 Aprilia RSV Mille R, but this is a particularly special one as it is the Noriyuki Haga factory edition. As you can see on the headstock there, number 264. Only 300 of these ever made, which I believe 60 of went to the US, so there's only 240 ever been in the UK, so that's a very rare special bike, which again we'll do a full feature on. On the ramp at the minute we've got a 1989 Honda CBR 600F, which is in the middle of going back together. It just needs the tank flushing and the bodywork putting back on an MOT. We've got the MS Pro kart there, which has just come back from the sandblasters and powder coaters, so that needs to be rebuilt, which again we'll try and get the footage of as we go along. We've got a few trophies in there from the go-karting, some old leathers, all the tooling, a nice workbench down the end, and the helmets. Again, we'll do a review of the helmets at some point, and potentially the toolbox if people want me to run through the toolbox and see what sort of tools we've got in there for working with. And in the flight case and down the bottom is all the other go-karting accessories that we need when we go away. There's also a Kawasaki ZXR 1100 swing arm and rear wheel tyre in the corner there. That is ready for a Honda CB750F resto mod, I suppose you could call it, which is currently parked up outside waiting to be done. So again, we'll hopefully take you from start to finish on that build. And then on the wall we've just got some canvases and some pictures of various bits and pieces we've done over the years. So yeah, I mean, it's not normally carpeted, but I was actually living in here with my family whilst I built the house, so that's why the carpet's still down. I've just left it down. There's also a weight bench there which never gets used to keep fit, ready for the track days and the go-karting. As you can see, there's more dust on it than there is actual weight. So yeah, that's the workshop, guys. We'll see you soon. So there we have it, guys, episode 1. Hopefully you folks enjoyed that. Please don't leave any negative comments. I'm more than welcome and open to constructive criticism, but any negative thoughts or comments, please just keep them inside your own head, because they're not helpful to anyone. The workshop that you've just been taken round is something that I've built myself, and everything inside it has been all of my accumulation of everything I've done over my life building up to this point so far. So it's not that I've been born into a really wealthy background, it's just everything that I've ever done has been put into this place. So this is my little space that I can come and enjoy my motorsport passion. So yeah, thanks for tuning in again, guys. Look after yourself, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Ta-ta!